my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make text italic in Google Chat. So for this case we have to open any kinds of Gmail account. Here I am opening my account. So in this case we will go to the Google Apps, then we'll click the chat options here. It is coming. Now we will go or send any kinds of things. So if we don't find the apps or something else, so we will go to the formatting option. So here we have to just keep on the mouse on this browsing side, then we will get the formatting options here. Now what we want the italic. So see, here is the italic format. So if we press this, or here bold, unbold, I will do the unbold, or here the italic. So whatever we write, so see, the thing has been formatting size wherever we write, so the thing has been revealed the italic format. So if we send this, see, the format has been reveal on italic format. So in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.